Ngayon, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-multiply ng rational expression. First example, we have 7x plus 14 over 2x squared minus 8 multiplied by x squared plus 3x minus 10. Ang una nating gagawin, we have to put the second part in fraction by dividing it by 1. Yan. So, para fraction na sila. And next is, ito, pwede natin siyang i-factor in 7x plus 14 by getting the greatest common factor. So, 7x plus 14, ang greatest common factor nila is 7. 7x divided 7 is x. And 14 divided 7 is 2. Next is, factor din natin tong 2x squared. Ang GCF niya is 2 multiplied by x squared minus 4. Okay? And since ito ay isang trinomial, we can factor it by thinking two numbers that has a product of negative 10 and has a sum of positive 3. So, 10, pwede nating i-multiply dito is 5 multiplied by negative 2. Since 5 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 10 and 5 plus negative 2 is positive 3. So, x plus 5 and x minus 2 over 1. Ngayong na-factor out na natin silang lahat, una, mapapansin mo na ito, pwede pa natin siyang i-factor since ito ay difference of a square. So, factor out muna natin 7x plus 2 and 2 multiplied by, since difference of a square ito, it's x plus 2 and x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 5 and x minus 2 over 1. Next is, pwede na nating i-cancel out. So, pwede nating i-cancel tong x plus 2, cancel yon, and yung x minus 2. So, ang matitira na lang natin na sagot is 7 x minus x plus 5 over yung 2. So, ito na yung simplest form niya. Okay? Next example is 5x squared minus 15x over 2x squared plus 11x plus 12 multiplied by 3x squared minus 48 over 10x cubed minus 70x squared plus 120x. Una, factor out muna natin lahat. Start tayo dito sa 5x squared minus 15x. Kunin lang natin yung greatest common factor, which is 5x. Okay? And 5x squared divide 5x is x. And negative 15x divide 5x is negative 3. And ito, multiply, i-factor na lang muna natin. So, alam naman natin, pag kinuha natin yung GCF niyan, it will be 3 multiplied by x squared minus 16. Okay? And itong x squared minus 16 is the difference of a square. So, pwede pa natin siyang i-factor out, which is magiging 3 multiplied x plus 4 and x minus 4. Next is, ito munang nasa baba. 10x cubed minus 70x squared plus 120x. If kukunin natin yung GCF nito, ang greatest common factor nila is 10x. So, 10x cubed divide 10x is x squared. And negative 70x squared divided by 10x is negative 7x. And 120x divide 10x is positive 12. And ito, pwede pa natin siyang i-factor. So, isip lang tayo ng dalawang numbers na merong product of 12 and sum of negative 7. So, ang gagawin muna natin, fa-factor muna natin ang ifa-factor hanggang mas ma-simplify natin. So, in this case, yung factor niya, kung 12 yung numbers, pwede natin gamitin na product dito is negative 3 and negative 4. Since negative 3 multiplied by negative 4 is positive 12, and negative 3 plus negative 4 is negative 7. So, it would be x minus 3 and x minus 4. So, lagay na natin. 10x multiplied by x minus 3 and x minus 4. How about this? 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. So, ito ay trinomial but with coefficient. So, ang gagawin natin, factor natin ito by grouping. So, una, yung coefficient niya na 2 multiplied natin by the constant 12, which is 24. And we have to think again two numbers that has a product of 24 but has a sum of positive 11. So, dito possible yung 8 and 3. So, we can rewrite this as 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 12. Next is, if pwede na natin siyang i-factor by grouping by taking the GCF. So, start tayo sa first two terms. So, ang factor nito, 2x squared plus 8x, greatest common factor niya is 2x. 2x squared divide 2x is x plus 4. And 8x divide 2x is 4. So, x plus 4. Okay? And factor out natin 3x plus 12. So, plus GCF niya is 3. It would be x plus 4. Since 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 4 is 12. So, pwede na natin siyang ilagay dito since na-simplify na natin. So, 2x, pagsamahin lang natin, 2x plus 3. Ito. And then, yung x plus 4. Next is, pwede na natin mag-proceed sa cancellation. So, x minus 3, pwede nating i-cancel. X plus 4, pwede nating i-cancel. X minus 4, pwede rin nating i-cancel. 5x over 10x, pwede nating i-cancel. It would be 2. So, ang matitira na lang is yung 3 sa numerator over 2 and yung 2x plus 3. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? About 3x cubed minus 24 over 2x squared minus 14x plus 20 multiplied by 4x cubed minus 20x squared plus 3x minus 15 over 3x squared plus 6x plus 12. First, factor out muna natin individually by taking GCF dito sa una nating numerator. Divisible siya by 3, so ang GCF is 3 multiplied by x cubed. Negative 24 divide 3 is negative 8. And if mapapansin ninyo, ito ay difference of a cube. So according to rule, x cubed minus y cubed is equals to x minus y multiplied by x squared plus xy plus y squared. So the cube root of x cubed is x, and the cube root of 8 is 2. And x squared plus 2x plus square ng 2 is 4. So, pwede natin itong i-substitute dito since mas na-simplify na natin. So, that will be x minus 2 x squared plus 2x plus 4. Next is, subukan naman natin ito. We can factor this by grouping. And factoring this by grouping, pwede tayo mag-start sa first two terms. Take natin yung GCF niya. So, 4x cubed minus 20x squared, ang GCF niya is 4x squared multiplied by x, and 20x squared divided by 4x squared is negative 5. And next naman, multiply natin or kunin muna natin yung GCF ng second term, which is 3. And 3x divided 3 is x. Negative 15 divided 3 is negative 5. So, na-simplify na natin. Okay? How about this? Factor out natin. So, pwede nating kunin ang GCF niya, which is all divisible by 3. So, 3x squared divided 3 is x squared. 6x divided 3 is 2x. And 12 divided 3 is 4. Since na-simplify na natin ito, mapapansin natin na ito na yung simplest form niya. So, kahit trinomial to, hindi na natin siya magpa-factor out. Next is, how about this? Yung 2x squared minus 14x plus 20. Lahat sila divisible by 2. So, ang GCF niya ay 2. 2x squared divide 2 is x squared. Negative 14x divide 2 is negative 7x. And 20 divide 2 is 10. Try natin i-factor out itong trinomial kung pwede pa. So, isip tayo ng dalawang number that has a product of 10 and has a sum of negative 7. If 10 and 1, negative 10 and 1, hindi pwede. But if we're going to use negative 5 and negative 7, negative 2, it has a product of positive 10 and sum of negative 7. So, pwede na natin itong palitan. Ng x minus 5 and x minus 2. Okay? So, since na-simplify na natin silang lahat, we can proceed now to cancellation. So, pwede nating i-cancel out ng negative 2. X squared plus 2x plus 4, pwede natin siyang i-cancel out. X minus 5. Yung 3, pwede nating i-cancel out. Okay? Ang natitira na lang is yung 4x squared plus 3 and yung 2. So, ito na yung final answer. Sa pag-multiply ng rational expressions, lagi nating tatandaan, kailangan ma-factor out muna natin lahat in its simplest form bago natin i-proceed sa cancellation. Okay?